Good morning. I'm still in bed. Allergies mess with me. And I don't feel like waking up, but I have to because there are lots and lots of people who would love to get out of bed today, but are not able to because they're bedridden. So for them, I'm going to get out of bed and move on with the day and give praises. So for you, all the bedridden people who'd love to get out of bed, stand out of the bed, sit out of bed, I'm going to do that for you today. As tired and beat up as this allergies had me overnight, my nose, it's on the inside, it's raw on the inside, it hurts. See, this one is blocked, see? This one is clear, this one is blocked. But as the day goes by and I get up and I do things, I will make sure that I'll have something to clear it up. I'll try stay out of outside today, but you never know, I might take you out with me later on once I'm up and about. So to you, we'll see what the day unfolds. Be blessed.
Hello everyone, today's video we are doing a shop my stash style for today. I am going to do my makeup somewhere completely different, so let us get what we need so we can move on. I'm going to need my eyeliners, more eyeliners, my concealer for my eye base, eyeliner and the brush, eyeliner brush. Do I need my Morphe spray? Do I need my Morphe spray? I love this little thing, so I'll take my Morphe spray. And I need a blush, so I'll take a blush. I just moisturize my face, so I'm not going to get any primer today. Over here, I'm going to use the Sephora powder today. The shade is Toffee, 65 Toffee. So we have that. And then our little magnetic, my book of positives, I still read it. And this is the palette. I think that's all I need. I did not take a lip yet. Okay, so, well, I'll take my lippy from my Project Pan Wakanda. So I'll use that. And my Clinique mascara. I think that's all I need. Okay, I'll turn you around so we can go to a new location and put our makeup for today. So now we have our shop my stash for today, and we're just gonna walk through the house to go to our new location so we can do our makeup for today. Let's see, can you see outside? Yeah, this is outside. Okay, we are at our destination. We are in the bathroom. This is our destination where we are going to apply our makeup for today. See my hair? Everything else is done except the hair is looking this way. Cute. Okay, let's unpack what we brought. The palette I unpack. Moisturizer. Powder. Lippy. My Morphe spray. My blush by Laura Mercier. And all these little things are gonna stay in there because I don't want them to roll away on me. Now I'll turn you the other way so you can see what I'm doing. Here I am. It's a new day, it's a new day, it's a new day. I'm trying to fix you up so I can navigate and function here. It's not always easy vlogging. Glasses off, headband, because this hair is in a mess. I am going to base my eyes. Am I recording? Yeah, we are. Because sometimes I think I press record and nothing is recorded. So I'm only putting this on the lid and that's it. I have hooded eyes. But still put your makeup on. Still put your makeup on. I'm trying to figure out how to be centered. Okay. I am centered. Brush. I need a mirror, don't I? Well, I have a big old mirror there, but you know, when you wear glasses, regular mirror don't always show you the true what's happening. Okay. So my eyes, base, you see what I did? I put a little bit on my lid and I just take the rest that's on the brush and go all over my eyes, because when you have a lot of real estate like this, you have hooded eye, you have lid, you have space, and then because this space has been folded, you have all of that, so you want to use what you have. Now my powder. Aha, that's what we forget. Something for the powder, but I think I have something. Okay, I'll use this. This powder is really nice. I've been enjoying it. I suffer with sinuses. This is the palette again. I'm going to use this color right here. One color, simple eyeshadow look. And I have allergies all the time. It's called a wet nose allergy, which is not bad. I just have to wipe my nose often, or if I don't, it will just drip. So that's what that means. But during the end of February to like the second week in April, when trees blooming, everything in spring is beautiful, my allergies are like off the chain. My throat gets a little bumpy, my nose get bumpy with little bumps, I sneeze a lot, I constantly have to wipe my nose, hack, and do all these other things. So I try to stay away from being outside long, but I like going outside and I do. And the longer I stay outside, the worse my allergies get. But this year, I am doing a lot of stuff to prevent it from happening, but it still happens. It still happens. I have nose spray, which I don't really like to use, but I have a stash of something I'm going to show you before I finish doing the makeup. Let me show you my stash. We're walking back to the kitchen so I can show you the stash of what I use now when my throat feels very, very bumpy and I cannot breathe properly. So this is my stash. All these cough drops, especially this one, when my throat feels very bumpy, I will take that. This slip thing I take when my menopause is like really, really bad and it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I cannot sleep. I'll take that and sleep a little late during the day. But these cough drops Love this one. These cough drops is what helps me to breathe during that time of year, because I'm trying not to use the spray, because the spray, have all this medication now have side effects, so I try to stay away from that. Now we are back, and I also Vicks. I'll take Vicks and I will put it under my nose so it can help me. But that's what I do, and I just keep moseying on and going along. I'm using the Laura Mercier blush. I love a blush. Right now, I'm getting a little sweaty on my forehead because menopause don't give me a break. I would love a break, but it doesn't give me a break. So I just work around it and move around with it, and that's it. It's not going anywhere anytime soon, so I gotta get used to it and work with it. See my forehead? My forehead is getting very sweaty. See the rest of my face? Dry. The difference. So that's what I deal with. Sometimes I gotta wait in between my makeup to function, but other than that, I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna finish this look and I'll be back and we'll see what it looks like, because I think we are going out today, so let's wait and see what my makeup looks like. This is my complete look. Simple, easy, one color eyeshadow look, and it can be on any eyes. Now I see why people are just so in love with this Morphe spray. It is so nice. You can actually literally just spray your face all day with it. That's how good it is. We are actually going somewhere today, people. This is so good. I don't get to go too many places because, hey, I don't have a job to go to. But I am saying, every now and then I take the car out for a drive. So that is what we're going to do. Let me find my shoe. You're coming in the dark closet with me too. Dark closet. Shoe. What am I wearing today? Nobody can see. I'm going to take these. Not enough light. That's why it looks so blurry. And then I'm going to take which bag? This bag. This is the bag. That's the back. It has chain links and then the strap. And then this is the front. It has this and this. Maybe I'll show you what's in my bag. I don't know. Oh, this is me right here. We are stepping out. Now let's go out, people. Let's go. It's just 10 minutes away from my house, but I'm taking you with me. I am now in the car. My sunglasses. I put my sunglasses over my glasses, but this is what my makeup looked like outside. Take a look. Let me make you see the eyes. This is the eyes. Such a nice day. Very nice. My window is down, so I know I am going to need something for my allergies when I get back home, but I like breathing the fresh air. So I just pay for it later. But this is outside. It is beautiful. The sky, the road, and the wind. Okay, I'll bring the window up for a little while. We are heading back already. Well, it's a short trip, just to go run an errand and then head back home. So that's what we're doing. We're heading back home. So I'm just giving you a little glimpse of how nice the weather is. And when I get home, I'll switch the camera around. I am I'm home and I gotta reverse in. Nothing far, nowhere far, just down the road and up and back. You what I have in my purse. This vlog I'll be crooked upside down, but don't worry about it. Just have fun with it. I tell you, this is the bag again. Let's see what I have in my bag. Because usually if I'm just going down the road, I don't have much. It has a side pocket. One woman show, one hand show. The pocket has tissue. Like I tell you, I have to have tissue paper everywhere in my bag, my pockets, in my bra, because I have year-round allergy wet nose. This is the other section of the bag. It has, let's see, do I have enough lighting somewhere? Okay, I'll bring you closer to the door before we can point the bag away. I have a bank receipt that I just came from the bank. I have this purse, which my husband bought me years ago. Love it. It has everything you can think of in there, like everything I need. Now in the other big bag, I have business cards. Oop-a-doo. This is the new card. These are the new cards. So I have that in there to hand out. I have a lip gloss, which I'm going to take out. I only put it in there when I'm going. I have my pen, my nice fancy pen from Miss Cherry that I put in there, but I take it out when I am not using the bag. And I have some change in there, some coins, and more napkins. That's all I have in this bag. Now I'm going to put this back in there and zip it up. Zip it up, and I'm going to put it away. This little black purse I put in every bag. When I change bags, I just pick it up and put it in whatever bag I'm going to use. But again, I want to say thank you all for watching my video vlog. I am actually having a ball doing that. So if it's something you like, let me know, and I will see you again soon. Remember to stay fabulous and love self no matter what age you are, or what size you are, or what you look like. You are beautiful in every single possible way. Bye.